This is the crankshaft out of my 2003 WRX that I bought cheap on Facebook Marketplace. I'm rebuilding the whole thing, and as you can see, the crank is pretty worn down. But since I'm replacing the rod bearings, these ones are bad. You can tell they were already on their way out. I polished the last two journals on the crank, and I think it looks great. So let's keep on doing this. I'm going to show you guys step by step how I polish the crankshaft. Now I do this in 4 stages: 600, 1000, 1500, 2000, and 3000 grit sandpaper. And this is the little setup I have: 2 sawhorses and a couple of 2x4s screwed together. And then I built some brackets to hold the crank in place. I start off with the 600 grit and I don't apply a lot of pressure. Once I'm done with the 600 grit, I'm going to clean it off with a little bit of brake clean in between each session. And you want to remember not to apply a ton of pressure. There's different ways to do this. I've seen people use a shoestring with the emery cloth wrapped around the crank, and then you kind of pull on the shoestring. This is the way that I do it, and you want to keep alternating direction. Don't want to focus on one spot too much. Like I said, we're doing a polish. We're not trying to remove a ton of material from the crank, because then you can cause more issues. We're just trying to leave a nice smooth surface. So I lightly put pressure on there and move around consistently and evenly, and then it just comes out really nice. You guys will see at the end how beautiful this crank turned out. Now here for comparison is a couple of journals I already did. This ones are the ones that haven't been touched yet. So you can definitely see the difference that it is making. It is night and day. And this polish to me, I think is perfect. It's going to come out great. And here is the crank all done and polished up, ready to go back in to the engine block. I am so happy with this. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Ruben Rattle Can Rebuilds. I'm out.